This four-door, five-passenger wagon stands out among competitors in its class. The following features are included: leather upholstery, heated seats, automatic temperature control, a roof rack, and a split folding rear seat. Enjoy your favorite music via the stereo system, which includes a CD player with MP3 capability and 9 speakers, providing excellent sound throughout the cabin. Subaru ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags with occupant sensing airbag, head curtain airbags, traction control, anti-whiplash front head restraints, a security system, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. A test drive is waiting for you. Call now to schedule an appointment at our dealership.